Hey friends, welcome back to another unboxing and review. I have a 13-inch portable Kamado grill from London Sunshine that I'm going to be reviewing for you today. They reached out and asked if they could send me one of their products to review, and I have been wanting a smoker for a very long time. This is a smoker slash grill, and the reason we haven't gotten one yet is because we didn't have a good covered area where we could, permanently set one up where we felt like it was going to be safe from the elements. So when they offered to send me their little mini grill, I was like, yes, this is perfect because it's portable, it's small, I can easily store it, in the garage. I don't have to have a permanent spot for it. So it'll give me something to practice on and to play with. It's small. I think I actually will use it more because it's small and will be, quicker to heat up and easier to use. So anyways, I am going to get this unboxed and put together here, and then we will take it outside and test it out. I'm not putting it together outside just because I figured the chickens would harass me while I was trying to work. But like I said, it is small, it is portable, so it's easy to put together here inside and then carry outside when I need to. So let's go ahead and get going. First thing on the top is the manual. I'm going to be reading that. Then we have some more paperwork. Wow, this is fancy. From Click My Cart, which is where you can purchase this grill. I have my manual sitting down here so I can know the names of all of these things because I am not familiar with these kinds of grills. So this is the charcoal plate. Then we have a couple of handles, of course. So these are the little feet for the bottom that we're going to be putting together, and the ring that the grill sits in. So you can see it's a really tiny, cute little grill. This is the top vent that you can adjust to get the temperature just right. And another handle. Got some tools and some nuts and bolts. Now, even though this is small, it is still very heavy duty. It is ceramic and it is a very solid piece of equipment, so it is not light. Oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. So they have several different colors. There's green and orange and red and black. I chose the black. I thought it was really sleek and adorable. So the lid is spring loaded here, and it's really smooth opening up and down, and you don't have to worry about it like falling on you when you're trying to cook. Here is the temperature dial, so you can adjust the temperature. I love that. You adjust it by adjusting the vents, and they have on here what the temperature ranges are good for. So the lower is smoking, of course, and then there's baking, grilling, and searing. So now I'm going to follow the instructions step by step here in the manual. They've got pictures and everything laid out, so it should be pretty simple, and get it put all together. Okay, I think I did it. That was so incredibly easy to put together. I didn't even have to take something apart because I put it together wrong and do it again. Super simple, super easy, and I think it's ready to go. So I've begun the curing process. In the manual, it had some instructions on how to use the grill the first time or to cure it for the first time. And so I have it going, and it's going to burn through the charcoal in there, and then it'll be ready to use as normal. I finished the curing process and then I added some more charcoal, got it going again, and I'm letting it heat up. You can see the embers down there. And once it's supposed to have the embers be red hot for 30 minutes before you cook on it. So I'm gonna let it do its thing, and in about 30 minutes I will cook some stuff. I have some sausage links, and I have a whole chicken that I got that's a little bit smaller that I think might fit on there. We'll see about that. And then I have some pork sirloin chops. So I'm gonna just kind of cycle through and get a few things cooked. So you saw I had this open all the way, and it was open for a while, a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes. And I came back and the temp was up to 700. And so I decided to cool it down a little bit. So I closed this. This is almost closed all the way. And this is just open like an inch maybe. And it brought the temp down really quick. So definitely responsive to those little changes. It's in the grilling zone. So I'm going to check it and see if the charcoal is all white yet. Oh, not quite. I think I'm going to let it go for a little while longer before I start grilling. So a couple things that I'm noticing as I'm cooking more things. There are some cool spots and hot spots in the grill, but I think I just need to work on the charcoal placement. Once I get that nailed down, I think I'll be fine. I saw something online that said you should get the larger pieces of, charcoal, the lump charcoal, but because it keeps its heat longer. But in this very small grill, it doesn't pack down as nicely to get like a really even cook. So I'm gonna have to work on that and get, little smaller pieces of charcoal. I think that will help. But then, moving things around and getting stuff evenly cooked hasn't been a problem. So these are 3 third of a pound burgers, and they fit on here just really nicely. It's small, definitely, but it's not tiny. You can actually fit quite a bit. For a single person or for a couple people, or if you just want to do batches, you could do for the family. I think I'm probably going to wait to try a whole chicken. I was watching a video from, I think it was Big Beast Barbecue. He has a whole series using this exact grill, doing all kinds of different things. He did a whole rack of ribs by putting them in a circle, and he did smoke the whole chicken, but he had a skewer thing for it, so I may have to invest in something like that. But so far, super happy with everything I've cooked on here. I can see myself using this a lot. So excited to have it right here at the beginning of the summer so I can use it all summer long.